Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan po natin ang measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. Measures of central tendency. A measures of central tendency, commonly referred to as an average, is a single value that represents a data. Mean, median, and mode are the most commonly used measures of central tendency. So, hanapin po natin yung mean, median, and mode dito. It is unique that a dataset has one and only one mean. The value of the mean is influenced by all observations in the dataset. So first, let's discuss mean. The arithmetic mean, often called as the mean, is the most frequently used of measures of central tendency. Mean, or this is the average. The mean is the only common measure in which all values play an equal role. Meaning, to determine its value, you would need to consider all the values of any given dataset. So, to find the mean or the average of a dataset, so ito yung kailangan mong sundin. First is add all up the numbers. Then, divide the sum by the number of values. Or you can use this formula. So, mean is equal to the summation of x divided by n. So, n is the number of value or the number of dataset. So, let's have example 1. The daily salaries of 8 employees at GSM Corporation are 550 pesos, 420, 560, 500, 700, 670, 860, 480. So, find the mean daily rate of employees. So, pinapahanap po yung mean ng 8 employees. So, we have the formula in finding the mean of ungrouped data. So, add. So, kailangan mo i-add yung salaries ng 8 employees. 550 plus 420 plus 560 plus 500 plus 700 plus 670 plus 860 plus 480. Then, after mo ma-add to, is i-divide mo siya by 8. So, kapag in-add mo yan, the sum is 4,740. And then, if you divide mo by 8, so this is the answer, 592.50. Therefore, the average daily salaries of employees is 592.50, or the mean is 592.50. That's it. Example 2. 7 friends in mathematics class of 20 students receives test grades of 93, 85, 65, 75, 88, 91, and 90. Find the mean of this test score. So, meron daw 7 magkakaibigan. So, ito yung grade nila. So, gusto nila malaman yung mean or yung average grade of the 7 students. So, this is the formula. So, kailangan i-add mo yung grade ng 7 students. So, ayan. 93 plus 85 plus 65 plus 75 plus 88 plus 91 plus 90. So, kapag in-add mo yan na 7 grade na yan, so the answer is 587. So, after mo siya ma-add, is divide po by 7. So, that is the number of values. So, 587 divided by 7 is equal to 83.86. Therefore, the mean test score of 7 students is 83.86. So, that is the answer. So, ganyan po yung paghanap ng mean of ungrouped data. Ganyan po kadali. Next is, let's find the median. First, what is median? The median is the midpoint of the array. The median is found by arranging the set of data from lowest to highest or vice versa and getting the value of the middle observation. Median. Middle. So, paano mahanap yung median? So, how to find the median? First is arrange the number from lowest to highest or vice versa. Then, after mo ma-arrange, the number in the middle is the median. If there are two middle numbers, add them and divide by 2. Or we can use this formula para mahanap po yung position, rank position ng median. Not the value but the position. N plus 1 divided by 2. So what is N? That is the number of values po. So let's have an example. So find the median of the ages of 9 employees of a certain company. Tandaan mo na agad, 9 employees, that is our N, 9. So the ages are 53, 45, 59, 48, 54, 46, 51, 58, and 55. So let's find the median. So first na kailangan mong gawin ay i-arrange po siya. Okay? So let's arrange in ascending order. Lowest is 45. Next is 46, 48, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58, and yung pinakamatanda is 59. So, ayan, na-arrange na po natin. And then, let's use the formula para mahanap yung position ng median. So, n plus 1 divided by 2. So, what is n? So, we have 9 employees. So, n is 9. So, 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 2. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, yung position po ng median is nasa pang 5th place. So, ayan, ito. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito siya. Therefore, the median is 53 years old. Okay? That's how you find the median. So, example number 2. The daily rates of 8 employees at GSM Incorporation are 550 pesos, 420, 560, 500, 700, 670, 860, 480. Find the median daily rate of employee. So let's find the median. First is arrange. Yan. Arrange po natin. So lowest is 420. Next is 480. Next 500, 550, 560, 670, 700, and then yung pinakamataas is 860. After ma-arrange, let's find the position ng median. Let's use the formula. So, median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. What is n? We have 8 employees. So, n is 8. So, 8 plus 1 divided by 2. So, 8 plus 1 is 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2 is equal to 4.5. So, asan tong 4.5? So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 4.5. Andito siya sa gitna ng 550 and 560. So, kapag ganito, na meron kang dalawang median, ito po yung gagawin. Since the middle point falls between 550 and 560, we can determine the median of the dataset by getting the average of the two values. So, median is equal to, add mo lang po yung dalawa, 550 plus 560 is equal to 1,110. After mo makuha yung sum, i-divide mo by 2. So, 1,110 divided by 2 is equal to 555 pesos. Therefore, the median daily rate is 555 pesos. Ulitin ko po, kapag dalawa po yung number doon sa sa median is kailangan mo i-add yung two numbers and divide mo by 2. That's how you find the median. Next is mode naman. So, the mode is the value in a data set that appears most frequently. When we say most frequently is, ito po yung pinaka nag-a-appear na number. So, a data set that has only one value that occurs, the greatest frequency is said to be unimodal. If the data has two values with the same greatest frequency and both values are considered the mode, and the data set is bimodal. If a data set has more than two modes, then the data set is said to be multimodal. And then, no mode if all the numbers occur the same amount of times. Tandaan. Kapag isang mode, unimodal. Kapag dalawa, bimodal. Kapag two or more, multimodal. Kapag walang mode, no mode. So, example 1. Find the mode of the given data set. So, ito po yung mga data. So, kailangan mong gawin is arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Bahala kayo kung ascending or descending order. So, sa akin is ascending order. Ganyan. Lowest is 16 and the highest is 51. So, you can pause the video para i-check po kung tama po yung order. And then, tingnan mo kung alin dito yung mga naulit na number. Si 21, naulit 3 times. Si 25, 2 times. Ano pa? 43, 2 times. So, ano yung mode dito? Since si 21 is naulit ng 3 times, so, yung mode po natin is 21. Bakit hindi si 25 and si 43? Kasi si 25 and 43 is naulit lang po ng 2 times. Si 21, 3 times. So, our mode is 21. So, because 21 appears 3 times, therefore, the mode is 21. Since isa lang po yung mode natin, which is 21, so ang tawag po sa kanya is unimodal. Example 2. An operation manager in charge of company's manufacturing keeps track of the number of manufactured LED television in a day. Compute for the following data that represent the number of LED television manufactured for the past 3 weeks. So, ito yung mga nagawang LED television in the past 3 weeks. So, let's find the mode. So, anong kailangan gawin? Arrange first the data set in ascending or descending order. Ang ginawa ko, in-arrange ko siya in ascending order. So, ayan. So, tingnan ulit natin kung ano yung mga number yung mga naulit. So, si 20, naulit 2 times. Si 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, naulit 4 times. 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, naulit 4 times. And si 29 is 2 times. So, ano yung mode? Since si 24 and si 25, pareha sila naulit ng 4 times. So, our mode is ito pong dalawa. 24 and 25. So, there are two modes, 24 and 25. Since dalawa po yung mode natin, 24 and 25, ang tawag po dyan ay bimodal kasi dalawa. Example 3. Find the mode of the ages of 9 employees of a certain company. The ages are 53, 45, 59, 48, 54, 46, 51, 58, and 55. So let's find the mode. First, arrange the dataset. So kung makikita nyo dito, wala pong naulit na number. So kapag ganito, ano tawag? Meron bang mode? Since wala pong naulit na number dito, there is no mode. So there is no mode since the dataset has the same frequency. So ganyan po yung paghanap ng mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data. Thank you.